Hello guys, welcome to Design for You. Now we are going to draw a floor plan in AutoCAD. So press U and enter. First we need to set the units into architecture, that is feet and inches. Click in inches and then OK. The units are set into architectural units, that is feet and inches. Now press L and enter. Line is getting drawn, but the line is crossed, so we are going to on ortho mode. The line got straight now, so draw the line for your required measurements. I am drawing 20 by 30. Now click O, enter, that is offset. We are drawing the walls. The wall thickness is 4 inches. As we have drawn the line, when we go to offset, we need to give all the. So now we are going to draw polyline. Click O, enter, that is offset. We are keeping 4 inches wall. Now divide the staircase of your required measurement. With command L, enter, that is line. Divide the staircase length. I am setting the staircase thread for 1 feet. The thread should be 1 feet and the razor should be 6 inches, like that. That are the standards for drawing the staircase. As this is the floor plan, we only get to see the threads, not razors. So I am giving 1 feet, and for landing I am leaving 3 feet. For mid landing, I am dividing the staircase for go up and down, dividing into the center. The width of the staircase is 6 feet, 3 feet plus 3 feet. So I have divided the line into 3 feet into 3 feet. So I am keeping the arrow, and that is to go up. Okay, now the staircase has been came. Now we are going to draw the doors. Click L, enter. We need to search the door. If any door is in the our AutoCAD design center, we can directly get that into that, but there is no door in our design center of AutoCAD. Now we need to draw the door, so I am drawing the door now. Click L, enter, marking the line. I want main door of 6 feet or 5 feet, 4 feet, that is your wish, and the height and the width of the door is 3 feet. I am taking the width as 3 feet. Now I am going to draw the door here. I am taking this as 2 inches and 3 inches. Now I am using circle to draw the door. I am drawing the circle for 3 feet using command CI, enter, that is circle command is CI. Now I am using trim to remove that, and the command for trim is TR. Just click TR, enter. The trim command will be get access to you. I am using mirror, MI, enter, to draw the same thing over that side. Now I am dragging this and I am clicking M, enter, selecting all that and clicking M, enter to move that to exact point where I need that. So I have drawn my double door, and that is the main gate. I am using one more line just to look good. And there I am attaching the point. My main door has been drawn. Now I am using L, enter, to draw all the lines to divide all the rooms and all things. Just click L, enter, line will be cut drawn. where you want to draw, just click the measurements of that. Now I am dividing all the rooms, two bedrooms, one kitchen and one hall with common toilet. So I am drawing with measurement that where I need to divide the line, that is a common toilet. Now use O double enter to get offset, that is to give the wall thickness. We are drawing the line for wall thickness. 4 inches is the minimum wall thickness that we need to keep. We have both 9 inches and 4 inches. 9 inches is used for outer walls. I am drawing a 4 inches. Now I need to draw the door to my hall entrance. I am just copying them and so that I can copy them. There is no need of a drawing every time. We can select everything and we can move from one side to another side. We need to select all things and we need to enter move. The selected thing will be get moved from there. So the one which I have drawn has some error due to the width and height of the door. Now I am drawing the new main door for my hall entrance. Just click L, enter and take the midpoint of your entrance or where you want to keep that. Draw the sizes of the door that you want to give. And use the trim to remove all the excess things that we have drawn. Select the whole thing and click group just to if we select the one thing in that, the everything will get selected for which we have grouped the things. So I need to draw the main door so that I can draw one thing, I can do the mirror or I can copy it every time selecting the everything that for every part of the door, that is very hard to select them. So if we have grouped them by selecting one thing, the whole thing gets selected. So I did not see that the door need to be fit in that. Just like that I have drawn the lights. Now we need to leave the space for door to get entered into the room. So I am removing that line using the trim. TR double enter. Now I am checking the correct position and correct distance, and now I am checking the measurements. Just click on that measure on the right side above. You will get to know all the measurements where you keep the line from point to point within the room. Now the bathroom minimum area should be like 6 by 4. So I'm taking the standards and drawing the, and then dividing the rooms for exact measurements. Just take the exact measurements and draw according to that. I'm just showing you the basic floor plan, that how we need to draw floor plan or something by using some commands. Most of the commands we use for drawing the floor plan is line, polyline, circle. Now I have drawn the exact sizes of every room. Now I am doing it. I am now rotating the door so that I can place the door for toilet and also kitchen. Now remove that lines. Use TR enter, that is trim, to remove the excess part. Now I am drawing the open kitchen, that we need to give some opening to the kitchen. Nowadays all the people are using open kitchen. There is no need of provision to give door open. So I am just giving the opening of 4 feet. I am drawing the line for 3 sides so that I can remove that for 2 exact point where I want to leave them using trim. Now we have given all the doors. Now I'm checking the measurements because I need to give any toilet in master bedroom. So I'm giving that whole thing because for a dry room provision in my bedroom. So 4 feet and the width will be like 9 to 10 feet. So 6 by 4 is the common standard for a common toilet. So I am giving 6 feet for toilet and the remaining for the dry room. I need to provide a door there. So I am copying the same door and pasting it there, selecting the exact point. I need to draw the wall thickness, that is 4 inches, and I need to remove the wall near that door. I am using trim. This is extend. So where there is no line, there is some line over there. We can extend that line using EX enter, that is extend. I have extended the lines and removed this. Now we need to fill the walls so that everyone can understand that are the walls. We need to give the solid hatch. I am giving HE enter, that is the command for hatch. HE enter. Now I'm selecting the walls gap so that the solid hatch will be filled in that wall thickness, so that everyone can check that these are the walls. So I am giving the hatch to every walls, each and every wall. Just click on that and select the hatch type. You can see on the top left side, these are the types of hatches. You can click the arrow buttons to give different type of hatch, and a color also we can select different types of colors. The remaining one I will be showing in next part. Thank you.